Do you want to know if this Maono mic is right for you? Let's test it out, see how it sounds. This comes with a complete kit with the arm and everything, and I had the arm here and I just couldn't make it work with my particular setup, but it is a very standard, fully adjustable arm, really good, high quality, no issues, especially the mount is a really nice solid mount. So that arm is a great value add for the purchase of the microphone, but let's try the microphone itself so you have a feel for what it sounds like. It is plug and play, XLR or USB-C, either way will work. I'm gonna test it USB-C because I think that's gonna be the most common way people are gonna use it. So let's plug it in, record some noise, and so you have a balanced feel for how it sounds. I'm gonna compare it against this DJI Mic 3, a wireless lavalier microphone. So let's give that a shot, see how they both sound, and see if I can't come up with a recommendation for you. I do need to tell you this was provided to me to do this review, but they gave me no instructions. They just like, we'll send it to you, you try it, let them know what you find. That's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, if your audio sounds like you've been recording inside a tin can, we're gonna fix that for you today. We're gonna take a look at this Maono A04 Gen 2, which has a ton of versatility. Some of the key versatility is the fact that you could run it USB-C like I'm running it now, or you could do a full XLR setup. If you're curious what it sounds like, let's listen to it now. This is what it sounds like if you want to use this microphone. This is plug and play. I have not adjusted the audio quality at all. You can see it recording right there on the screen. This is exactly how it's coming out of the microphone. Again, that functionality of being able to do both the kind of basic setup using the USB-C, or if you want to get all professional and crazy, you can absolutely plug an XLR into this and really upgrade your audio game. As a result, I think this is definitely the right choice for you if you're a beginner. The kit comes with a full metal boom arm, great mount for the desk, as well as a pop filter included in it. So you're really all set to go, either doing music, podcasting, streaming, anything. Creating content like this works great. You should get yourself one. There's a link here on the screen and there's one down in the description below. Both of them work the same way. Neither one costs you anything extra to use them. If I've added some value here, please remember to like the video, follow the channel, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'm happy to answer those for you.